Hey there, my name's Duncan. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use a couple different member scripts to create essentially a modal, which will pop up anytime a custom field in MemberStack is empty. So it's only visible if it's empty. First, let me show you a demo. So we're going to create a fake account, and we'll see that when I land on this page, I get this pop up with the phone number input. If I refresh the page, you can see that modal is still visible. If I go ahead and enter in a phone number here and save that, the modal closes. I can view that phone number here inside of my MemberStack profile modal, but when I refresh the page, you can see there's no flicker and there's no modal. How this works is there's a few different things going on. Here on the dashboard page, you can see by default the modal is not visible. That's possible because I have this data ms bind style equals display flex. This is some default baked in MemberStack functionality, which is setting the element to display flex if it's needed. I also am using MemberScript number 10, essentially is removing or showing an element based on whether or not the custom field is set. So here what I'm doing is I'm saying only show the element if the custom field is not set. Hopefully that makes sense. Here inside of MemberStack, I have a custom field of phone. And then here, I have the same ID for that custom field right here. And I added the exclamation point to say not. So long story short, whenever you go to edit this, if you want it to work in the same way, just add your custom field ID right here. I additionally have some code for MemberScript number 43. I have that code here before the closing body tag, and that's preventing the page from scrolling while the modal is open. That's optional, I just think that's helpful. And then I also have MemberScript 41, which is controlling the phone input. You don't have to use that depending on what kind of custom field you are using or what kind of data you're collecting, but this was helpful for my use case. So I think that's pretty much everything. If you want to use this in your project, what I recommend doing is coming here to the dashboard, cloning this element, the clone me element, and then you'll be able to go in here and set it to display flex and do all your styling, make your edits, update your MemberStack attributes, so the data ms member attribute. And then I just remembered one more important thing for this is whenever the form submits, you're going to want to refresh the page. And all you need to do is add the current page slug to the redirect URL. So when they submit this form, it's going to refresh the page, rerun all the code, and then just hide, or I should say not show, the element. Hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the video. I'm happy to help, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Bye.